So featuring a couple of Aston Martins now, a couple of Aston Martin Vanquishes. So the first one is a 2+2, bought from new by actor Hugh. The story goes that during the filming of About a Boy, his co-star, the young Nicholas Hoult, kind of talked to him about how he was into cars and how he really liked Aston Martins, and allegedly, once filming was done, he went out and bought this V12 Vanquish. So obviously it's got his name in the logbook and everything, so it's all above board and genuine. Looks a nice car. It's a Solway grey, so it's got a slight blue tint to the grey, and it's a 2+2. Although, to be fair, a bit like most 2+2s, you're going to struggle to get much in the back of that, aren't you? But nice car, but it's guided. This is the interesting thing, and why I've picked out the one next to it as well. Guided the same as for this one. So this is 1 year younger. This is a V12 Vanquish as well. It's in blue. Mendip blue is the actual colour. And the mileage is not dissimilar. And the estimate is pretty much the same. So 40 to 50,000 pounds, either for this blue V12 Vanquish, this is not a +2, I think it's got the sort of boards at the back, or the Hugh 2+2. So 40 to 50,000 pounds buys you either one of those. I'm not sure which one I'd go for, to be honest. I quite like the blue versus grey, it's more my thing. But I quite like Hugh, so it'll be a talking point, wouldn't it?